Hello friends, my name is Shashank and welcome back to my channel Shashank Tutorials. How are you all? It had been a not very long time. So today we will be discussing about formation of image in convex mirrors. So this is a very short topic. In the previous video we discussed about image formation in concave mirrors, and then we discussed even about ray diagrams, and also we discussed about different types of spherical mirrors. Okay, without any delay, let's get into it. So today we will be discussing about image formation in convex mirrors. So I think that you all know about how to draw ray diagrams. Yeah, rules for drawing ray diagrams. So first of all, you are going to have a principal axis. Very, very nice. So in convex mirror, there are only two cases. If the object is at infinity position, or if the object is at whatever you call as between pole and infinity. Now, if the object is at infinity, how will be the rays be? Yeah, if the object is at infinity, how are the rays? The rays are parallel to the principal axis. Very, very important. I have said it nearly many times. So convex mirror is a diverging mirror. We discussed about it in focal point. Okay. Now the rays are parallel to the principal axis. So you forgot one thing, I too forgot, that is you have to name pole, focus and center of curvature. This is the pole. This is the focus. Okay. And this is the center of curvature. There's the pole, focus and the center of curvature. Now any light ray which comes parallel to the principal axis, after reflection it appears to pass through focus. Okay, so this is for convex mirror rule, ray diagram rule. Now just let me tell you a trick here. First you draw a dotted line to focus nice and neatly with a scale. Okay, and here also with a scale you are going to draw a dotted line to the focus, and then you are going to extend this line like a ray. Okay, now keep the arrows, do not forget about arrows. So any light ray which comes parallel to the principal axis after reflection, it passes through focus. So the object was at infinity, so when it was coming the rays were parallel. As you can see, the rays were parallel. So a point image is formed at focus. Now let us write the position of the image. Where is the position of image? At focus. Nature of the image is virtual and direct. Okay, so this mirror, convex mirror, only forms virtual images. Virtual, and it is an erect. Size is highly diminished. A point image, highly diminished. Now the object is between infinity and pole, means this was the infinity portion, this is the pole, this is the focus, and this is the center of curvature. Okay, remember this one thing. I have been saying about this in each and every video, that is the distance from pole to focus should be equal to distance from focus to center of curvature, because r is equal to 2f. Now you are going to draw a extended object because the object is between infinity and the pole. Now draw the ray diagram. Any light ray coming parallel to the principal axis, right? After reflection, it passes through focus. So what did I say? To make it more clear, just draw a dotted line. It is going to come like this, and then just extend this line. Now, okay, first ray is completed. To make any ray diagram, you need two rays. Yeah. Now, whatever rule you want, you can use. You can use appearing to pass through focus. So any light ray which is appearing to pass through focus after reflection, it comes parallel to the principal axis. Yeah, and you can use something like appearing to pass through center of curvature also. Hmm. And even now I will use the pole one, because while using the pole it will become easy, the diagram will look very neat. Now just draw a line, a ray to pole, and then from pole to it is going to reflect at I is equal to R. Now from pole, you are going to draw these dotted lines where the image is forming, where the cross section is coming here. This is the image. Between pole and focus, image is coming. So any light ray which passes through focus after reflection, it comes parallel to the principal axis. You can use that rule also. So do not forget these arrow marks. Now, position of the image is between pole and focus. Nature of the image is virtual because it is behind the mirror, virtual and erect. Erect, and size is diminished. Okay, so this is between infinity and pole, and here is your concave mirror table. At finite distance, it is diminished small size and it is virtual and erect. At infinite distance, highly diminished point size and virtual and erect. So with this, your ray diagrams are completely completed. Completely completed. So this is a PDF which you will be getting. Yeah, you will be getting this PDF, and then link will be in the description. From the next video, we will start with numericals. Thank you. Have a nice day. Do not forget to click on the bell icon to get instant notification. First, subscribe, man. And then also check out my shorts channel. Link is in the description. Thank you.